Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Interactive Brokers platform options. Options are versatile financial instruments, giving you the right, not obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a set price by a specific date. They are powerful for both hedging and speculation, allowing strategic market engagement. Interactive Brokers provides a sophisticated platform with extensive features, including real-time data and advanced analytical tools to help you navigate the options market. Once logged in, you will find the options chain, which displays all available contracts for a given underlying asset. It's crucial to understand different order types. For instance, a limit order lets you specify a maximum or minimum price. You can also personalize your workspace by adding specialized widgets like the Option Trader, which streamlines the process of analyzing and placing complex option strategies, enhancing your overall trading experience. To place a trade, simply select your desired call or put option, choose a strike price, and an expiration date. For effective risk management, always consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to lock in gains. The platform allows you to monitor all your open positions in real time, providing critical data to help you make timely adjustments and manage your portfolio effectively. Beyond simple calls and puts, Interactive Brokers supports complex multi-leg strategies like vertical spreads or iron condors, allowing for nuanced market plays. The platform's analytical tools are invaluable for assessing risk and calculating potential profits across various scenarios. Remember, continuous learning is key. Interactive Brokers offers a wealth of educational resources, including webinars and tutorials, to help you deepen your understanding and refine your options trading skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.